Well, hello. Welcome back to Omer's Garage. It's been a little while, but today we're going to be taking care of a error message on my Tesla Model X that says center display unavailable. Probably don't know if you watched a lot of my videos, but some of my videos I've talked about in the past where I have really bad back issues. But let's fast forward to why we're here today. And that's the reason I haven't posted in a while. Just haven't been that great with my back. But I got a error message. First of all, there was something weird going on with my scroll wheel. When I was trying to put the volume up, it wasn't working. So I ended up just resetting the center display by pushing down the two scroll buttons for about 15 seconds. That'll reset the display. So I did that, and then I got, I think I already had that error message there. So that error message was there, and I couldn't figure out. I tried resetting the instrument cluster, the center console, as you saw in the video, as you'll see in the video, but neither one of them was working. So this is going to be the solution to get around that. All right, so what we're going to try to do now is we're going to go ahead and try a little trick. I'm just reading up online. So we're going to go try to find the settings for the wheels. So we're going to go to service, wheel configuration. We're going to change them to 19-inch. Confirm. All right, let's drive a little bit. Go a little bit forward. And then we're going to go back. Oh, it reset itself. So hopefully this is it. Looks like the car is kind of resetting itself.
A few moments later.
All right, so release the brake. Open the door, release the brake. It says system is powering up. Key not inside. All right, so you can see I got a message that says tire pressure monitor sensors have been reset successfully. So it took a little while to come back up, but now that it's up, that message is gone. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go back and do the same thing and change the wheels back to 21 inch or 22 inch. I can't remember what these wheels are, but that's going to be it. All right, so we're going to go back to service. We're going to do wheel configuration, and we're going to put them back to the 22 inch wheels. Onyx black. I don't know why that makes a difference, but I didn't realize that. So we're going to confirm, and it's probably going to go through the whole cycle of restarting everything again. And I'll wait for that. I won't, bore you with that on my video, but. All right, so thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Kind of annoying when you get these little glitches, and then, I use the cheat code in order to get around it, but hopefully, it saves you a trip to the service center. And, hopefully these things keep helping you out. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and like, share, and please subscribe if you haven't done so. It helps the channel out. It doesn't cost you anything. And I'll continue to hopefully get some more videos out there. I've shot some videos, but life happens sometimes, and there goes my center console, center unit finally coming back up after resetting everything for the 22 inch wheels. But with that, thank you all, and thank you for those that have reached out asking, how I am. I know it's been a while since we had a video, but hopefully we'll get some more videos. So thank you for watching. Y'all take care and stay safe. Well, hello. Welcome over.